Hi everyone! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Madaling araw na ngayon ng Saturday. So happy weekend sa inyo guys. Kamusta kayo? So nagbabalik ang intuitive tarot reader, Maria. Hello, welcome sa Luna Tarot. So sa ating mga bagong subscribers and sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribes, welcome back. Okay, and welcome dun sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe. Okay, so for tonight, we're going to do a also Jack sign reading. So, I'm called to do an all zodiac sign reading, ha? So, gagawa tayo ng reading para sa lahat ng zodiac sign. Titingnan natin who is spying on you. Okay? Sa lahat ng zodiac sign. So, una natin is earth sign, water sign, fire sign, and then air sign. Okay, so gagamit tayo ng ganito. Okay? So, para pantay-pantay yung time span, okay, or timeline nung ating reading. Okay? So, please bear with me guys kasi talagang inuubo ako ngayon. Kaya kung maririnig nyo akong umubo, pagpasensyahan nyo na. Okay? So, start na tayo. Who is spying on you? All zodiac signs. Okay. So, yung mga nag-aabang dyan for all zodiac signs, ito na po yun. So, titingnan natin who is spying on you. We are going to pull four oracle cards, okay? And then, some tarot card para malaman natin bakit siya nag-i-spy. Itong person na makuha natin. Okay, so let's start with Virgo. Virgo, who is spying on you? Okay, so start na natin. Okay. Virgo, who is spying on you? Sino ang nag-i-spy sa aking Virgo? Who is spying on my Virgo? Let's see. Who is spying on my Virgo? Wow. A girl with a snake. Wow. Charm or use enable boundaries. Ooh. For some of you, this person who is spying on you, someone who is walang magandang intention towards you, Virgo. Okay? Who always push your boundaries. Wow. Or po pwedeng nilagyan mo na ng boundaries tong person na to, itong someone na to, na, mhm, na nag-i-spy sa inyo para sa aking mga Virgo. So, let's see. Camera. Huh? Reminiscing, making memories, learn from the past perception. Uy. O pwedeng this is one of your friend. One of your friend, Virgo. Siguro meron ka mga pinopost yung iba sa inyo na about sa ginagawa mo or hindi ka nagpo-post. Kaya nag-i-spy tong person na to. The Dragonfly. Light-hearted and adapt, finding out and change, things coming to light and heal. Uy, pa pwedeng for some of you Virgo, this is someone na kagalit mo, hindi, meron kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan. Wow, shock. Sudden change, shocking news, surprise, and epiphany transformation. Ooh. Some of my Virgos are looking good. Wow. Hmm. Pwedeng this person is jealous or alam mo yon yung a copycat. Meron akong nakikita dito. Someone who is looking kung ano na yung nangyayari sa buhay mo. Picking. Okay? Picking ano sa nangyayari sa'yo. So, let's pull. Okay? Four tarot cards for my Virgo. Four tarot cards for my Virgo. Wow. Siguro may nalaman tong person na to sa'yo, Virgo. Kaya nag-i-spy to sa'yo. May nalaman siya sa'yo na update. What's this one? Wow, the devil. Oh. So, pwedeng this person is a manipulator. Kasi you are a light-hearted person, Virgo, for some of you. Uh-huh. What's this one? The Magician in reverse. Oh my God, ano sabi ko? 'Di ba ang Magician in reverse is manipulator. Pwedeng nakagalit mo 'to. And siguro nagtataka tong person na 'to bakit hindi mo siya pinapansin, lack of clarity. Alam mo 'yun, 'di ba? Um, Siguro kasundo mo 'to before tapos bigla mo na lang 'tong iniwasan. And this person is spying on you, tinitingnan niya kung magpo-post ka about sa kanya, kung may ipo-post ka ba. The World card. O 'di ba, completion, completed. If this is a friendship, you put boundaries, you cut ties with this person, Virgo. Oo. You walk away with this person. Mm-mm. Lumayo ka dito sa person na to. O pwedeng binitray ka nitong person na to. If this is a friend, okay. This is a feminine, Virgo. Nine of coins. Kasi you're being abundant. Oh? You are working on your coin, your pentacles, you are working, busy working, natural na ginagawa ng Virgo. You are thriving. And siguro this person is shocked. Okay? Siguro, you're transformed. Meron ako nakita dito, may transformation dito. Pwedeng nag-glow up, nagpariban, nagpaganda, nagpasalon. Oh. And hindi mo ipinopost yun. Kaya this person is looking at photos, reminiscing kung ano yung nung close pa kayo, nung kinakausap mo pa siya. Okay, so Virgo, this is the one who is spying on you. This can be a friend, a feminine, okay, someone na nilayuan mo. Yes, kasi hindi mo na siya feel. Because this is a manipulator. Girl, di mo pagkakatiwalaan with the girl with the snake. Manipulator. Okay, so thank you so much, Virgo. So this is someone who is spying on you. Oh, so I will go to Taurus. Taurus. Okay. Taurus, who is spying on you? So, sino ang nag-i-spy sa'yo, Taurus? Let's see. Who is spying on my Taurus? Who is spying on my Taurus? Let's see. Who is spying on my Taurus? Wow. Spying on my Taurus. Soulmate. Wow. Love it. Soulmate everlasting. This can be a love interest. Someone who adores you, who loves you. Wow. Legal matters, dispute. Some kind of a legal matter. Ah. Wow, abundance. Positive mindset, manifest gratitude, and bliss blessings. Wow. Can be someone at law or pwedeng a judge, okay, at law enforcer, a police. Mhm. A soulmate. Old school. Outdated thinking, conditioning, replaying events over in your head. Wow. So probably this is a soulmate, someone who is po pwedeng a part of your soul tribe, soul family. This can be a lover. Okay, this is a ex, po pwedeng this is a ex-husband. Okay, ex-partner, long-time partner. Okay. So, po pwedeng meron kayong legal battle with this person. Okay. Or can be this one is Libra, the one who is spying on you, Taurus. Okay. Because you are very abundant right now. Okay. This person may be manifesting you, or o puwedeng this person has a money, okay? Or tinitingnan niya kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa life mo kasi you are very abundant. Yun yung yung perceive sa nung person. Okay, puwedeng this person is from old school, or puwedeng your classmate, okay? Or this person is overthinking with a Libra here. Puwedeng this is an air sign. Okay, so puwedeng nire-reminisce niya lang yung time na magkasama pa kayo, okay, nung partner pa kayo, okay. Pupuwedeng hindi 'to maka-move on kung ano man yung nangyari between the two of you, okay. Okay, replaying events in over your head, pupuwedeng ikaw yung nag-o-overthink, okay, about a legal matter. Okay, Taurus. Let's see, bakit 'to nag-i-spy sa'yo, Taurus? Let's see, Taurus. Bakit nag-i-spy 'to sa'yo? Let's pull 4 tarot cards for you, Taurus. Who is spying on my Taurus? Bakit nag-i-spy tong person na to? Let's see. 4 of Cups. Wow. Someone is regret. 4 of Swords. Wow. Overthinking. Someone is overthinking. Isolating himself. O pwedeng may sakit, or some broken hearted. Okay. Regret. Crying over spilled milk. Wow. May legal battle kayo nitong person to. Pwedeng if this is a ex-husband, ex-partner, okay, fiancé, pwedeng nag-iisip to about kaperahan. Let's see. Let's pull 2 more cards. Oh, this person is regretting. Kasi may some kind of, siguro nag-separate kayo nito. Legal matter. Wow. Someone is crying. Let's get the Magician. Wow. Someone is manifesting money. Someone is regretting na nakipaghiwalay sa'yo kasi you are a good manifester. You are resourceful. You are the kind of a person na you make things happen. Wow. Someone is regretting na nawala ka sa buhay niya. Oo. Wow. Hindi ka nito makalimutan. O pwedeng this person is having a legal matter, or o pwedeng may problema sa pera. Maraming utang, maraming um, pagkakautang. 3 of Cups, parties, indulgence, happiness. Oh, You are happy. Six of Swords, oy, hindi kayo magkaayos nitong person na to. This person wants to heal. Wants to go to calmer waters with you. Okay? Gusto to makipag-ayos sa'yo. Some kind of celebration. Oo, po, pwede siguro gusto nitong magpakasal sa'yo, gusto mag-propose sa'yo. You are happy right now. O pwedeng nilagay kayo to sa third party, Taurus. Okay, so who is spying on you? Someone who is regretting losing you. Okay, someone who wants to reconcile sa'yo, Taurus. Okay, so let's go with Capricorn. Wow. Capricorn, who is spying on you? So let's see. Sa ating mga Capi dyan, who is spying on my Capricorn? Okay. Capricorn, who is spying on you? Capricorn, who is spying on my Capricorn? Teddy bear. Interested in you. Wow. Blooming romance, flirting, want to date. Uy, this person wants to date you, Capricorn. Interested in you. Wow. Interesting. I'm sorry. Apology. Oh, this person wants to apologize sa'yo. Wow. Wow. To tell you something, honesty, truth. Wow. Wants to apologize and wants to tell you the truth. Wow. So, pwedeng this person ghosted you for some of you or tinago yung feelings niya sa'yo. Ah. This person will give you a teddy bear or a gift. Wow. Who is spying on my Capricorn? Spying on my Capricorn, please. This person has nakalak yung eyes niya sa'yo, Capricorn. This person will give you flowers or a gift, a teddy bear. Let's see. One more card, please, for Capricorn. Thank you. The Dragonfly. Light-hearted and adapt, finding out and change, things coming to, wow, things coming to light. Light and heal. So, po pwedeng walang closure to. This person wants to talk to you because po pwedeng ginose ka nitong person na to. Po pwedeng bigla na lang tong nawala. Okay. With things coming to light and to heal you. Okay. Siguro kung no closure to. Kung no closure tong communication na to, this person is interested in you. O siguro ano lang siya, hanggang flirting lang siya, nakipag-flirt lang siya. Okay, dinate ka lang niya pero this person is parang walang plano to have a relationship sa'yo. O pwede sigurong ginost ka nito, Capricorn. So, yun na nga nakikita ko eh. This person is siguro mag-a-apologize sa'yo, magsusorry sa'yo. Sasabihin niya yung totoong dahilan bakit siya nawala. Okay? Bakit kanya biglang hindi kinausap. Wow. Capricorn. Okay. Wants to change the dynamic between the two of you. Gustong baguhin yung nangyari between sa inyong dalawa. Okay, so let's see. Capricorn, bakit gustong kausapin ka nitong person na to na nag-i-spy sa'yo? Give me 4 cards for my Capricorn, please. Thank you. So, King of Wands. Wow, this is very attractive person. Wow. Three of Swords. O, di ba? Heartache, trauma, sorrow. This person break your heart. Wow. Niloko ka nitong person na to, Capricorn. Wow, this person break your heart, puts you in a third party, or ginawa kang option. Basta, nagbigay to ng kalungkutan sa'yo, Capricorn. This is a very attractive guy. O, sorry, nahihirap mo. Attractive girl. Yeah. Or attractive woman. Pero meron akong nakikita dito na this can be a masculine and you are the feminine, Capricorn. This person wants to apologize. Yes. Page of coins. Kasi immature pa siya. O di ba no follow through? Di ba? Ano siya, yung parang, kasi pag sinabi nating page of coins in reverse, stable kasi yon, grounded, di ba? Solid. Solid yung personality. Pero this person kasi is immatured. Siya yung klase ng tao na no follow through siya kapag kahalimbawang yung i-ghost ka niya. Ganon. Ha? Ganon ang personality niya, Capricorn. Wow, this person wants to say sorry. Kung pwede na-realize niya kung anong ginawa niya. That's why this person wants to say sorry. This is a very attractive person. Very good looking. Nine of Swords. O, di ba? Because this person is, alam niya nasaktan ka niya. Yes, alam niya hindi niya dapat ginawa yun sa'yo. Yes, with the Nine of Swords, po pwedeng na-depress ka nung niloko ka nitong person na to, nung sinaktan ka niya, nagkaroon ka ng anxiety. You feel hopeless dito sa connection na to, dito sa person na to. Kasi po pwedeng pinaibig ka lang niya, po pwedeng pinasakay ka lang niya, po pwedeng, alam mo yun, po pwedeng this person is a flirt, player, Capricorn. Okay, so who is spying on you? Someone who breaks your heart, a good-looking masculine or feminine, okay? Someone who wants to say sorry and apologize sa'yo. Okay, Capricorn. So let's go with Cancer. Cancer. Who is spying on you? Okay. For my Cancer people, who is spying on my Cancer? Sino ang nag-i-spy sa aking Cancer? Let's see. Who is spying on my Cancer people? Okay. Cancer, who is spying on you? Please. Who is spying on you? Let's see. Wow. The runner. Fear of intimacy, running away, intensity and letting go, turmoil and fleeting. Wow. Someone who ran away. Cancer. Wow. Someone who has a fear of intimacy. Wow. Someone who fear love. Grave. No second chances. This person knows that don't give second chances. This person ran away in your connection. Wow, karmic relationship, resentment, trigger, perception, intensity and letting go, turmoil and fleeting. Wow, turmoil and fleeting again, intensity and letting go. Wow, perception, karmic relationship. This is a runner, someone na nag-break up, o pwedeng inalis mo sa buhay mo. Someone na biglang nawala. Let's see. Music, inspiration. This can be a music lover, an artist, a singer. Okay, you can be a singer. Okay. Uh, can be this is a Scorpio with the grave here. So, po pwede sigurong This is a person na ayaw mo nang bigyan ng chance. O pwedeng this person is asking for a second chance but you don't want to give chances dito sa person. Kasi this person is iniwan ka. Okay? Iniwanan ka sa ere. Sabihin natin, hihinang ka. Leave on red. So, meron akong nakitang ganun. This person leave you on red. Okay? O pwedeng this person is a music lover or an artist, a singer, okay, a composer. Okay? So, or ikaw yon Cancer. This person is naaalala ka. Or meron kayong some kind of um, theme or music. Okay? So, pwedeng once in a lifetime, ginawa mong inspirasyon tong person na to, Cancer. So, let's see why this person is spying on you. Why this person is spying on you, Cancer. Seven of Cups. Uh, Fantasizing over you, Cancer. Knight of Wands. Huh? Oh. Wow. This is a, you can be a free spirit person, Cancer. Wow. Let's see. Queen of Cups. So, water sign, di ba? Cancer. You are intuitive, okay? You're a very loving person. This person misses you. But this is a karmic relationship. Okay? O, di ba? Inspiration na naman. You are the inspiration of this person. Cancer. Yes. You are a type of a person that you are free spirited, okay? You don't fear change, you don't fear to take action, okay? Ikaw yung klase ng person na hindi ka takot na harapin kung ano yung challenges sa life mo. Okay, you always looking forward in the brighter side. Yes, you're a very compassionate kind of a person. You are fearless. Huh? You are a risk taker. Kaso itong person na to is takot. Takot siya. Pwedeng kabaliktaran mo siya. Huh? Yung personality niya. Okay? And you let go dito sa person na to. And pwedeng itong person na to is hindi ka ma-let go. Or vice versa yun na, Cancer. O pwedeng sobrang sobra yung intensity ng connection mo dito sa person na to. Yes. Siguro yung isa sa inyo is parang inaano na some kind of fantasy yung meron sa kasi parang you are parang it's too good to be true, parang ganon. A runner and a chaser. You don't chase this person. But this is a runner. A karmic relationship. Wow. Who is spying on you? Someone who runs away, Cancer. A karmic relationship. Huh? This is an option, a love option or about love. Okay. So, let's see sa ating Scorpio. Scorpio. Sa aking Scorpio. Who is spying on my Scorpio? Who is spying on my Scorpio? Who is spying on my... Wow. Dating. Meeting someone new. Wow. You could be dating, or this is someone new, who is spying and looking into your social media account. Wow. Let's see. Wow. Reconciliation revealed. Wow. This person wants to reconcile. Wants to reveal sa'yo. Wow. This is a very intense, yung intensity nito is very, alam mo, as a Scorpio is very sensual persons. Okay? Wow, this can be your date. Uh, with a reconciliation, this can be an ex. The dragonfly again. Hmm. Let's see. Who is spying on my Scorpio? Sword and a rose. Clarity and truth. Revelation. Wow. Revelation, honor and protection, determination. Wow. This person is determined to date you. Hmm. This person will ask you for a date. Huh? If this is not someone new, with the reconciliation card here, reconciliation card, this can be from the past. Ano to, bakit ano ba? Ano bang mga from the past na yan? Dragonfly. Ah, soon this person will message you with the sword and rose. Page of swords, kahit wala dito yung energy ng page of swords. You are the rose and this is the sword. Okay? This person wants to tell you the truth that he still wants you. He wants to have a reconciliation sa'yo. He wants to heal kung ano man yung nangyari sa inyo. Okay? This can be a one night stand connection. uh, wants to reveal something sa'yo. This person is determined to have you, Scorpio. That's why this person is spying. Let's see. Ito yung someone na nakadate mo. Pwedeng wala kayong relationship nito ha. Pero po pwedeng naka one night stand mo to. Let's see. Balik natin. Why this person is spying on my Scorpio? Why this person is spying on my Scorpio? Wow. Let's see ha. Ace of Coins. Wow. Let's see. Six of Cups. Oh, di ba? From the past. From the past. Oh my God. This is from the past. This is an ex. A past lover. This person is manifesting you. Wants to build with you. Revealed and coins. Oh. Knight of Wands. Fearless. Wow. This person wants to be stinky pinky, this person wants to be intimate sa'yo again. Let's see Scorpio. Two of Coins. Wow. This person wants to balance the situation between the two of you. Huh? Yes. This person wants to put you as a priority. Huh? Gusto kanya i-prioritize. Gusto niyang mag-invest sa'yo. Yes, gusto niya mag-invest sa'yo. Scorpio. If this is a one-night stand, or this is a short-lived relationship, an ex, okay? This person wants to invest. Okay. This person is managing his resources to come towards you. Siguro ano to, nagpa-plan. Planning, revealing. This person is planning to go towards you. Inaayos lang nito yung finances niya. Oo. Two of coins po pwedeng juggling to. Whether uh, kakausapin ka na ba niya, i-approach ka na ba niya. Okay. So who is spying on you? Someone who wants to rebuild, wants to invest sa'yo, wants to date you. This is from the past. This can be a old friend, okay, na naka one night stand. So sorry, trigger warning. But this is from the past. Kababata, yung for some of you. Okay, so Scorpio, I hope resonated sa inyo yun. I will go to Pisces na. Pisces, who is spying on my Pisces? Who is spying on my Pisces? Let's see. Who is spying on my Pisces? Let's see. Okay. Who is spying on my Pisces? Pisces, who is spying on you? Let's see. Oh, silence, no contact. Wow. Someone. This is a no contact connection. Enemy. Watch your back. This can be an enemy. A friend. Wow. Or itinuturing mong enemy. Intimacy bonding. This person is ituturing mong enemy. Galit ka dito sa person na to. This person is gusto ka makasama, gusto ka makabond. Can be a lover. Abundant. Positive mindset manifest gratitude, bliss, blessing. This person is manifesting you, Pisces. Yeah. This person is po pwedeng nag-radio silence ka dito or this person radio silence you. Kung alam niyo yun, guys. Okay. O pwedeng hindi mo to kinakausap, matagal nang no communication kayo nitong person na to. This person wants to bond with you. Why? Kasi you're very abundant. Pisces. Yes. Your finances are good, Pisces. That's why this person. But be careful because this is an enemy. You should watch your back. Okay? Dito sa person na to kasi pwedeng may hidden motive. Kaya gusto kanyang i-approach, gusto kanyang kausapin ulit. Okay? So be careful. Kasi your finances are good right now. Yun ang nakikita ko kasi eh. Kaya ka nito gusto kausapin, baka mangungutang sa'yo. Baka mangungutang sa'yo, Pisces. Hindi kaya? Because you're very abundant right now. Let's see. Ba't nag-i-spy tong person na to sa aking mga Pisces? Why? Why this person is spying on my Pisces? Let's see. Let's see. Why this person is spying on my Pisces? Ako ayaw nitong magsabi ha. Bakit siya nag-i-spy sa'yo? Let's see. Why this person is spying on my Pisces? Please give me card. King of Swords. Ah, very opinionated kind of a person. Ay, wow. All of a sudden, gusto mong ano ha, the hangman. Oh, gusto makipagbate. Wants to surrender. Gusto makipag-ayos. Kasi because you're very abundant right now. Your money is good. Let's see. The World card. Completed na yung cycle mo with this person. You end this. Wow, Two of Cups. This is a relationship. Wow. This is a relationship, Pisces. This person wants to have a equal give and take. Ay, nako. I sense not good energy dito, Pisces. You walk away dito sa person na to. Why? Kasi this is a manipulator, opinionated. Okay. O pwedeng impulsive din tong person na to. This is an enemy. Ang tingin mo dito sa person na to, enemy, you should watch your back. Okay? Kasi, pwede siguro nakikita ka na you're very abundant right now. Okay yung money mo ngayon. Kaya gusto nito makipag-reconcile. Though wala dito yung reconciliation card. Mutual respect. This person is not respecting you because this is an opinionated kind of a person. Very talkative, very madaming say. Gusto niyang, humingi ng sorry. Kaso nga lang, may hidden agenda yung paghingi niya ng sorry. May hidden agenda yung paghingi niya ng sorry sa'yo, Pisces. Yes. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, baka mangungutang sa'yo eh. 'Di ba? Baka mangutang sa'yo to, Pisces. Okay, so who is spying on you? Someone you cut off, someone you end a cycle with. Okay, this is a relationship or some kind na nakarelasyon mo, Two of Cups. Okay. Pwede sigurong gusto nito mag-share ka ng blessing sa kanya. Okay. So, Pisces, this is the one who is spying on you. Okay. So, I hope resonated sa'yo to, Pisces. Okay. Let's go with, tingnan ko lang ha, kung hindi pa lobat yung aking phone. Okay. Let's go with Leo. Leo. Sa aking mga fire sign. Who is spying on you? Who is spying on my Leo? Both masculine and feminine. Wow. Sex, good time. Uy. Someone na naka-good time mo? Leo? Compromise, making changes. Wow. O pa pwedeng napo-fall na to sa'yo ha? Or gusto maging intimate itong person na to sa'yo. Gusto kang, alam mo na, Gustong ipakita ang kanyang peacock. Leo. So let's see. Who is spying on my Leo? Wow. Someone who is interested sa'yo. Ah, this is a flirt. Let's see. O, di ba? Talking, interested, awaiting messages, text, call, email, talking more. Oh, someone na kausap mo online. Meron akong nakita ditong exchanging text, exchanging call, inaabot ng hanggang madaling araw na tawagan. Someone who is in talking stage pa lang kayo nitong person na to. This is a flirt, want to date you, and want to be intimate sa'yo, Leo. Ha? Good time, intimate. Ha? Wants to make a change dun sa may talking lang, flirting lang. Gusto nitong person na to na i-take to the higher level, which is good time. Pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, good time lang ang gusto nito for some of you. You are exchanging hot messages with this person. Ha? Sa aking mga Leo dyan, ha? This person is very sensual. Let's see. Bakit ba ito nag-i-spy sa'yo, Leo? Let's see. Bakit nag-i-spy ito sa aking Leo? The Hangman. Oh, this person wants to surrender. Gusto nitong i-surrender ang ano niya. Ang kanyang bataan, or if this is a feminine and you are the masculine watching, or vice versa. Gusto maging intimate. Let's see. Oy. Wow. King of Swords. But you are, meron akong nakikita dito na ano, na for some of you, you are a very logical person. If you, maybe you, this is an air sign. If you are the feminine, and this is the masculine, this person is head over heart. Logical to. Hindi to nai-in love. Basta-basta. Maybe he is a flirt, nakikipagpalitan siya ng mga flirty messages sa'yo, pero, and wants to be sensual sa'yo. Pero, ito basta-basta, nafo-fall. Hindi basta-basta nafo-fall. Siguro, kapag naging intimate kayo sa isa't isa, baka mag-bloom yung romance nyo with each other. Let's see. Give me more 2 cards, please, for my Leo. 2 of Swords in a crossroad. Oh, not telling the truth. Not telling the truth. This person is on the middle, whether he wants to pursue you more, he wants to love you, or just a sensual experience. I hope naiintindihan niyo ako, ha. This is a tough decision. 7 of Wands. Huh? Pwedeng this person is standing his ground na Siguro hinuhold back niya yung sarili niya. Do meron na kayong palito na stingy messages nitong person na to, hinuhold back niya yung sarili niya. Kasi siguro ayaw niyang ma-fall in love. Kasi mamaya iniisip niya baka this is just a good time. Okay. Walang head over heart nga siya eh. Ayaw niyang ma-fall. Okay. Pero this person is interested in you. Yes. Siguro nasa ano pa to? Anto, very ano pa to, very defensive. Baka ayaw lang nitong masaktan, Leo, or ayaw kanyang masaktan. Kaya ayaw niyang makompromiso yung sarili mo. Oo. So who is spying on you? This is a king of swords. Someone who is interested in you, ka-flirt mo siya, gusto kanyang i-date, nag-uusap na kayo nito. This is very interested person sa'yo, Leo. Okay? So, this is the one who is spying on you, Leo. So, I hope resonate sa'yo. Let's go with Aries. Aries. Guys, medyo kasi malapit na akong malubat. Pero tingnan natin. I will continue the reading once na naglubat yung phone, okay? So, Aries. Who is spying on my Aries? Who is spying on my Aries? Aries. Who is spying on my Aries? The dragonfly again. Who is spying on my Aries? Who is spying on my Aries people? Oh! Alam mo, siguro I feel na naapektuhan tong mga to ng retrograde. Gusto mag-apologize. Wants to say sorry, wants to heal. Oh, picture. Looking at pictures, missing you, nostalgia, make new memories. So, di ba? This is from the past again. Ito yung ito yung epekto ng retrograde. Guys. Being nostalgic. Let's see. The runner, fear of intimacy, running away, intensity, and letting go, turmoil, and fleeting. This person is, iniwanan ka, nag-run sa connection. Aries. You let go dito sa person na to. Meron runner and chaser dynamic dito. Someone is scared to love. O pwedeng this person is nagbago na. Wants to put a light doon sa nangyari sa inyo. Magkaroon ng linawan sa nangyaring ending between the two of you. Ang lakas talaga ng retrograde, no, guys? So, let's see Aries. Why this person is spying on my Aries? Why this person is spying on my Aries? Let's see. Thank you. Wait. This person wants to collaborate. Judgment. Wow. Nagkaroon ng self-awakening tong person na to. This person wants to ask for your forgiveness with the judgment card and apology. wants to ask for forgiveness. Uh-huh. This person wants to collaborate sa'yo, Aries. Five of Swords, want to surrender. This person feels that he or she is defeated. Five of Wands. Meron kayong conflict nito. Meron kayong fight. Meron kayong pag-aaway na nangyari. This person wants to apologize. Pwedeng kinarma tong person na to. Hindi niya kayang mawala ka. Hindi niya kaya na, alam mo yon, you are the light in this person. You are the guide para dito sa person na to, and na-realize niya yun. This person wants to seek forgiveness sa'yo. O pwedeng this is a co-worker for some of you. This is a boss for some of you. With the three of coins dito, can be a team member, a boss, a co-worker. Okay. Can be a friend, a brother. Pero may nakita ko dito, this can be a boss or an employee, a colleague, kasama sa trabaho. Someone wants to ask for forgiveness, wants to apologize. Katrabaho. Nagkaroon ng self-evaluation tong person na to. For you, Aries. Sorry guys Siguro tinutulungan mo tong person na to. You are the teacher or you are the leader dito sa life ng person na to. This person misses you, misses your guidance, misses your teachings, your advices sa kanya. This person wants to start over sa'yo. Meron kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan nitong person na to, magkaroon ng ego clash between the two of you, Aries. Yes. Kung pwedeng nawalan ng trabaho to, inalis mo sa trabaho if you are the boss. Gusto humingi ng chances nitong person na to. Gusto mag-apologize. Aries. Okay. So, let's go with Sagittarius. So, tingnan natin kung... Okay, so pwede pa. Sagittarius. Sa aking mga Sagi. Who is spying on my Sagittarius people? Who is spying on my Sagittarius people? Let's see. Who is spying? Okay. Who is spying on my Sagittarius? Let's move this one here para mas makita ko. Sagittarius. Oy. Freedom. Surrender. Wow. You free yourself dito sa person na to. Let's see. Who is spying on my Sagittarius? Wow, that card can be a Scorpio. The relationship is over, no second chances. Grow and transform. What's dead is dead. Can be a ex. Okay. Ex-husband, ex-wife, ex-boyfriend. Love. Unconditional love, self-love and wholeness, affection and attraction, selflessness. You are you free yourself dito sa person na to because you go towards self-love. Wow. Who is spying on my Sagittarius? Let's see. Wow. Reconciliation, huh? If this is the next, this one wants to reconcile. Huh? Wants to reconcile and wants to rebuild. Sa'yo, Sagittarius. Gusto nitong makipagbalikan sa'yo. Lahat ng mga, alam nyo guys ha, kapag retrograde kasi, yung mga walang closure, di ba iuulitin ko ulit. Yung mga may issue, may mga trauma, talagang babalik at babalik yung energy. Hanggat hindi pinuput to an end, hindi wino-work out, babalik at babalik yun. Lingering in the surface yun. Well, this is an X, an Scorpio. The relationship is over. You don't want this person anymore. This person is toxic. Oh my God. This person is, o pwedeng niloko ka nitong person na to, Sagittarius. 9 of Wands. This person drain you. This person puts you in a situation na sobrang hirap. Let's see, Sagittarius. Why this person is spying on you. 6 of Swords. Gusto makipag-ayos. Go towards calming water. Wants to heal the situation. Wants to apologize. Wants to move on with you. Wow. King of Cups. You could be you could be a King of Cups, very loving person, huh? Emotionally matured. Wow. The Moon. Wow. Queen of Wands. Wow, you can be very beautiful. If you are the feminine here, o pwedeng may mistress tong person na to, pinagpalit ka, nakipag one night stand sa iba. Okay, this can be a intuitive person. Okay, this can be a secretive kind of a person. This person is doing nasty things not in your, alam mo yon, hindi mo alam. You're a very loving person. If you are a feminine naman, you're very passionate, you are very beautiful, very attractive, confident. Okay? Just can, may isinikreto tong person sa'yo, kaya nakipaghiwalay ka. This can be a Scorpio or a water sign, a fire sign. This person still attracted sa'yo kasi if you are the Queen of Wands, you are very beautiful, very sexy, confident, energetic, a leader, very attractive. You can be intuitive person. You can be a tarot reader. Malakas ang intuition mo. You know na may tinatago tong person na to. Kaya ka nakipaghiwalay sa kanya. Kaya pinalayan mo yung sarili mo dito sa person na to. Okay, so Sagittarius, this is the person who is spying on you. So sorry. I hope nag-resonate sa'yo ito, Sagittarius. I will go now sa ating air sign. Okay, sa aking Libra, so titingnan natin who is spying on my Libra. Sino ang nag-i-spy sa aking mga air sign? Okay. So, let's start Libra. Wow. Libra, okay. Please bear with me guys. Wait lang ha. I will light a sage lang para ma-neutralize yung ating place. Okay. Okay. So, who is spying sa aking mga Libra? Libra, who is spying on you? Who is spying on my Libra? Wow. This is insecurities. Insecurities, self-esteem. Ex-lover, wow. I cannot. Ex-lover, old spark. Coffin, so there is an ending, new beginning, liberation, reborn, transition, tragic endings. So this is an ex, the one who is spying on you, Libra. Okay. Let's see. Wow, intimacy and bonding. This person wants to have some kind of bonding sa'yo. That's why this person is, siguro titingnan niya kung kamusta ka na. Okay. You already ended a cycle with this person, with this coupin. Okay. Ito yung kind of ex na meron kayong tragic endings. Okay. So, pwedeng this ex gives you insecurity or this ex has an insecurity sa sarili niya. Okay. This person wants to be intimate sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin, wants to, you know what? Alam mo na yon Libra, kung anong gusto niya. um, this person wants to have some kind of a reconciliation or to have a spark. Okay? Wants to gain again the spark on your connection. O pwede you lost the spark dito sa person na to kasi with the coffin here is all, nawala na yung spark. Okay? Nawala na yung spark sa relationship, nawala na yung spark mo dito sa person na to, nawala na yung love mo dito sa person na to, or vice versa. Okay? So, titingnan natin, Libra, bakit siya nag-i-spy sa'yo? Let's dive deeper. Libra. Let's dive deeper, Libra. Why this person is spying on you? Why this person is spying on you, Libra? Let's see. Give me 4 cards why this person is spying on you. The Hangman, pero in reverse siya. Ooh. Indecision. This person is siguro nagtatalo yung ano niya, yung kalooban niya if gusto niyang i-approach ka. Okay? So, pwedeng insecure tong ex na to sa sarili niya. That's why hindi ka niya ma-approach. Wow. Wow, 6 of Swords. In reverse siya, guys. So, wow. So, pwedeng hindi pa kayo okay nitong person na to. Galit ka pa. Pwedeng this person wants to trigger again, to trigger you again. Yung, if you're the one who has may insecurity, this person wants to trigger you again, wants to rock the boat. Gusto niyang, ano, there is a trouble coming here. Once na makapag-communicate tong ex na to. Wow. King of Swords. Alam ko na. Because someone is logical. If this is the feminine and you are the masculine, kasi ano eh, ayaw mo na makipag-communicate ito sa person na to eh. If you have embodied the King of Swords, huh? Seven of Wands in reverse. Wow. O pwede sigurong ano, hindi makamove on tong person na to, Libra. Or ikaw ang hindi makamove on dito sa person na to. Take what's resonate. This person is very intelligent, logical, cutthroat, okay, like a Queen of Swords. Meron akong nega dito, someone wants to apologize. Libra. This person, siguro gusto nito na, may kung sino man yung galit dito, between the two of you, Libra, gusto nito na ano, na baguhin yung some kind of paniniwala or some kind of belief. Okay? So, sino ang nag-i-spy sa'yo, Libra? This is an ex-lover. Okay? Na you already has a tragic end with this person. This person wants to get intimate sa'yo or vice versa. Okay? There is someone here na mababa ang self-esteem. So, take what's resonate, Libra and leave the rest. Okay? So, your ex is spying on you. Okay, so let's go with Gemini. Let's go with Gemini. So, Gemini, who is spying on you? Who is spying on my Gemini? Who is spying on my Gemini? Please give the cards for who is spying on my Gemini. Who is spying on? Separation, sadness, bitterness, missing you, thinking about you, uncertain future. So, this is confirmation that someone is thinking of you, missing you, okay? Someone who is already, you separate yourself, okay? Backstabbing, heartbreak and pain, someone who gives you heartbreak about the separation or loss. Someone who deceive you, deception and lies, shocking attack. Oh, someone is spying on you is the one who is backstabbing you. Po pwedeng this person backstab you. Okay. Masakit to magsalita. Sinaktan ka nito with the cactus here in the background. So, sinugatan ng puso mo nito. Medyo malalim-lalim yun, Gemini. Okay. Deceive you. So, meron ako narinig na deceive you, manipulate you, nagsinungaling sa'yo. Oh, wow. This person is spying on you, Gemini. So, let's see. Let's get two more cards for my Gemini who is spying on you. Thank you. Mirror. Mirroring each other, self-reflection, introspection, inner wounds. Wow. This is someone na pwedeng no closure kayo. Wow. In reverse. So, engagement ring, higher commitment, eternity, partnership, union, completion. This person is the one who did not give you a higher commitment. Siguro, pwedeng inaasahan mo na this person. Siguro, long-term relationship to for some of you. Okay, this person backstab you. Pwedeng twin flame, mirroring. Okay, you mirror each other. So, same kayo na iniisip ang isa't isa. Okay, engagement ring. This person wants to reopen the your cycle dito sa person na to. O pwedeng bitter tong person na to, sad, namimiss ka itong person na to, and iniisip kasi about the separation. Pero this person is some kind of binackstab ka. Yeah, so let's see. Gemini. Let's dive more. So bakit ba nag-i-spy tong person na to kay Gemini? Bakit siya nag-i-spy? Bakit nag-i-spy itong person na to kay Gemini? Give me cards why this person is spying. Page of Coins but in reverse. This person is immature. No follow through and walang parang parang wala pa siyang plano sa life niya. That's why hindi siya makapagbigay sa'yo ng higher commitment. Kaya hindi siya makapag-commit sa'yo, hindi kanya mabigyan ng ring, though sabihin nating matagal na kayo, no follow through sa lahat ng bagay. Okay? There is clarification with the separation and Page of Coins in reverse is uncertain future. Meron ka dito sa person na to kasi wala siyang plano between the two of you. Okay? So let's see. Wow. 3 of Wands in reverse. This person still hold on. Unhappy with doon sa ginawa niya sa'yo. Unhappy with the breakup. Unhappy with the separation between the two of you. Hindi siya masaya. Siguro nagsisisi siya or hindi kayang kunin, maging responsibility, hindi kayang i-admit na naging deceptive siya. Hindi niya kaya magpatalo. O pwedeng this person is egoistic. Oo. This person is holding on you. Yes. Let's see. Wow. Thank you. King of Swords again. Confirming that this can be a Gemini. Six of Swords. Wow. O pwedeng gusto niyang makipagbati sa'yo. Gusto niya makipagbati sa'yo, Gemini. Wants to go calmer waters. Wants to move on with you, together with you. Wants to heal the situation about a higher commitment. Siguro, pero this person is still immature. Gemini. Still immature tong person and walang plano pa. Uncertain. Siguro namimiss ka niya kasi you are the one who stand up or the one who lead this person. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw yung mas ikaw yung mas maparaan, mas magaling magdesisyon sa lahat ng bagay. That's why this person is still spying on you kasi hindi niya matanggap yung separation between the two of you. Okay? So last one but not the least, let's go with Aquarius. Okay, for my Aquarius. So who is spying on my Aquarius? Who is spying on my Aquarius baby? Aquarius baby, who is spying on my Aquarius baby? Aquarius viewer. Give me, wow. This one. Abundant. Wow, you're very abundant right now. This can be an abundant person. Ascending, learning and expansion, transcending, preparing for union, new pace. Wow! You are upgrading yourself, Aquarius. You can be studying. Okay. You are in a new pace, so higher. You are going higher or moving higher towards success. Okay. So let's see. Wow. What is one? Whole and inner growth. Wow. You grow a lot. You grow a lot, Aquarius. This person is spying on you because you are abundant and you are growing. Let's see. Single. So this can be a single, not in a relationship person. This can be a female. You are the male or vice versa. Bottom of the deck is date. So po pwedeng this person wants to ask you for a date. This person, the one who is spying on you. Wow. O pwedeng this person wants to collaborate sa'yo. This person is nakikita niya na nag-upgrade. Upgrading yourself kaya nakuha mo yung attention nitong person na to. Aquarius. Wow. Let's see. Let's dive deeper, Aquarius. Why is this person spying on you? You can be 30 years old. You grow a lot. Meron ako naririnig, you grow a lot when it comes sa finances, um, sa attitude, your perspective, you're ascending, nagmamatured ka, Aquarius. Let's see. Aquarius. Why this person is spying on you? Why this person is spying on you? Wow, death card. Death card ba to? Yes, death card. So, o pwedeng this person, pwedeng you end a communication with this person and there is some kind of ending here with the death card. Let's see. Why is this person is spying on my Aquarius? Page of Cups but in reverse. Ooh, this person is immature and childish. While you are ascending, you are growing. The Devil in reverse, you release this person. You regain your power, you release this person. This person is resisting change, immature, stagnant, emotionally unavailable. Wow. Oy, ang dami. No, only one card, please. Only one card. Let's get one card for my Aquarius. One card only, please. Oh, dalawa pa rin ang binigay. Oh, let's use this one. Seven of Coins, manifesting ideas. Oh, because you're a hardworking person. Okay, you work hard on what you achieve right now, what you gain, whether okay ang finances mo ngayon, you manifest this, pinaghirapan mo to. And this person is hindi niya alam yung way uh, para mag-improve, para marating din niya yung narating mo ngayon. Yes. Ten of Coins is some kind of financial security. Okay. Pwedeng this is a family member, Aquarius. Okay. Seven of Cups is um, you are lots of options. Okay. Lot of options in source of money, love life, pwedeng um, endless possibilities ang meron ka kasi you grow yourself, you faced your demons, okay? You faced your, you have an ego death, o so meron ako na narinig na gano'n, you work through it, okay? You learned and expand. You're very creative for some of you. You are in a new phase of your life and this person wants to go with you. Kaso nga lang, this person is resisting change. Yes. And stagnant when it comes on money, on emotional, unstable tong person. Ito, childish. Okay, if you are secured in yourself, okay, and this person is not, you release this person in order for you to gain your power, okay, to grow. And this person is, ayaw niya. She or he is resisting change. Ayaw niya maghiwalay kayo, ayaw niyang magbago, ayaw niyang mag-grow. Palaasa pa pwedeng this person is palaasa, Aquarius, okay? So, who is spying on you, Aquarius? Someone who is immature. Can be a family member, can be a lover, okay? Can be a sister, but this person is single and not in a relationship, or ikaw to. Okay, so take what's resonate and leave the rest. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Okay, so this is the also Jack reading on who is spying on you. So if resonated sa inyo, kindly send a comment on this video. Leave a comment, show your love. And dun sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading, kindly just send me a message, or mag-send lang kayo ng inquiry doon sa may Gmail na nakalagay dyan. Okay? So, nandoon yan sa ating channel. Okay, yung details doon sa may about, or doon sa description box. Meron doong details kung saan magre-request na personal reading. Again, you can choose 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 1 hour reading. Okay? So, doon sa mga gusto magpa-member, you can join the community of Leluna. So, this member is meron kayong chance to get, to pick, a specific topic, okay, para sa susunod nating upload, and then may chance na mag-send ng follow-up question if resonated sa inyo yung video, okay, na requested ninyo. Okay, so para doon lang sa gusto magpa-member, I think this is 120 plus pesos lang for 1 month. Okay, and kung gusto ninyo na mag-donate, welcome po na mag-donate kayo, whether crystals, whether tarot cards. I'm free. Leluna channel are free to to get a donation from you. Okay? So free po ang mag-donate, mag-show some love, mag-share ng gift. Okay? So maraming salamat, guys. I really appreciate doon sa mga nagko-comment at patuloy na nanonood. Kahit na alam kong busy kayo, marami kayong ginagawa, pero naglalaan kayo ng oras para manood ng mga video na upload ni Leluna. Maraming salamat po. Na-appreciate ko po yun. And again, guys, yung reading natin is always general yon. Okay? So, take what's resonate and leave the rest. Huwag niyong dibdibin kung hindi mag-resonate sa inyo. Kasi po pwedeng hindi energy ninyo yung nakukuha. Okay? Again, maraming salamat. Happy weekend sa inyong lahat. Bye!